When it comes to roofing in Boston, choosing the right company can make all the difference. Here's what sets Boston roofers apart and how to avoid common mistakes when hiring a roofer. One major mistake is not checking for proper licensing and insurance. Always ask for proof before hiring. At Boston Roofers, we are fully licensed and insured to provide peace of mind. Choosing a roofer based solely on price is another common error. While affordability is important, consider experience, reputation, and the quality of materials used. We balance cost with top-notch service. Not getting a written estimate can lead to unexpected costs. Always secure a detailed written estimate before any work begins. We provide clear, comprehensive estimates to avoid surprises. Ignoring reviews and testimonials can be a costly oversight. Research online and read past customer reviews. Our satisfied clients' feedback speaks volumes about our commitment to excellence. Not asking about warranties and guarantees is another pitfall. Ensure you understand the warranties on materials and workmanship. We offer robust warranties to back our quality work. Boston Roofers has been in business for over 10 years, building a solid reputation for quality roofing services. Our commitment to quality workmanship and attention to detail sets us apart from the competition. We offer free estimates for all roofing projects, ensuring you understand the scope and cost up front. Call 617-238-6007 to schedule a free inspection with our roofing experts. Our team works with a variety of roofing materials, from shingles and metal to flat roofing. This versatility ensures we can meet your specific needs with the best materials available. Our excellent customer service includes emergency roofing services for urgent repairs. We strive to complete projects in a timely manner while maintaining high standards of quality and customer satisfaction. Your roof deserves the best. Call 617-238-6007 and schedule a free inspection with our experts.